So I had a great conversation with my VA today, and I'm going to share with you what that is. Just stick with me for this moment. Now, if you don't have a VA, this will still work for you as a solopreneur. But if you do have a VA, make sure they're following this when it comes to acquiring property. Now, the first thing is first, talk to or follow up with the people who are furthest along in your process to acquire that property. Meaning, if you're going through title with somebody or you're self-closing, make sure you talk to them first. As in, you have a list of people to communicate with, they should be the top of that list. And what are you saying to them? Well, just keeping abreast of what's happening. If you are self-closing, just let them know, hey, I got the check. I'm sending it out to the mobile notary, this, that, and the other, just so they don't feel that they're getting scammed or anything like that. If you're going through title, just check in every 2 weeks or so, or however long you need to, just to make sure things are good, or any documents that are missing that you help them find. Now, after those people, talk to the people who are kind of on the fence of selling. So they're like, yeah, I think I want to sell, but I don't know if we can come to a price. So that way you kind of hammer out that price. How often should you talk to them? Every few days to every day, depending on where you guys are in the conversations, their conversation style, things like that. After you talk to those people, then talk to people who are folks who try to communicate with you. Now you're playing phone tag and you're just trying to actually have that buying conversation so you know, hey, are we going to sell or are we going to buy or what's going on, right? So after that, after you've talked to those people and you still have time in your day, because again, you should only be doing some land investing for an hour or so a day. You still got time in your day. Go ahead, do your text blast, see if you can get more leads in the pipe. After you go through all of that and you answering texts and organizing wrong numbers and all that, then if you want, cold call some numbers. Again, you got to have time to do it. Now, this is what I told my VA to do, so she's clear exactly what we need. There's also some metrics and KPIs I'm gonna keep track of just to make sure we're doing what we need to do as a business. But following those things will help you make the most out of every lead so you don't waste any potential deal, meaning waste any potential dollars. You need more information on how to do this land thing, hit me up. I got your back in a couple of new ways that I help people invest in land.